And I want to go right back to NBC's Vaughn Hilliard outside the courthouse. You have a potential juror that was just dismissed, Vaughn.
Right. I want to introduce everybody to our new friend, Kara. Kara, you're the first individual who I've talked to. You're from the East Village neighborhood. We're talking about a bunch of New Yorkers that were coming together. You got to know a bunch of them. You literally just left the courtroom.
Yes.
You were in seat, what number?
13.
Seat number 13. And you told me that you were dismissed because?
I work in cybersecurity. Due to the nature of my job, it would be extremely hard for me to be here for the hours needed for as long as this trial is going to be.
Schedule-wise.
Schedule-wise.
So did you have a sense that you were coming for the Trump trial yesterday when you got your jury summons and you knew what was happening today or on Monday?
So I didn't, but when I got my jury summons, I had texted my mom, like, oh, I've got jury duty coming up. And she said, oh, I think mid-April is when the jurors for the Trump trial are getting called. And I was like, oh, wow, that would be fascinating. And then I get here yesterday, and there's a massive line, and Trump protesters and counter-protesters. And it's like, well, I'm either on that trial or one down the hall from that trial. And then our holding room had something like 250 people in it.
And you were part
I assumed
of that,
it was that.
And you were part of that first batch of 96.
Yes.
So you were inside of the courtroom the entire time yesterday during the jury selection process.
So I wasn't. I think I was in the first group of jurors that they brought into the courtroom,
right.
But we weren't in the courtroom all of them.
And you got to be one of the lucky ones that was seated in seat 13, that initial batch to answer the questions.
Yes.
You did answer the series of 42 questions. You were asked the question about what you thought of Donald Trump. I know that they were yes or no questions, but whether you could be fair and impartial to Donald Trump. And you responded.
I responded, yes, I can be fair and impartial. The question was, do you have any prior beliefs or opinions, I believe it was worded, about the defendant that would prohibit you from being fair and impartial? And I said I would be able to be fair and impartial.
Two questions off the top of my mind, and I'm sure Jose has a follow-up. Number one, you were seated there. How far away from Donald Trump, the former president?
Quite close. Oh, gosh, estimate, maybe 30 feet, 20 feet. What
was that like answering questions, including some about Donald Trump, as he is sitting 30 feet from you?
It was odd. It was such an interesting experience because I had never seen him in person before, and you see someone blown up so larger than life on the media for so many years. To see them in person is very jarring, and you get the sense that it's like, oh, this is just another guy. And also he sees me talking about him, which is bizarre.
Did you make eye contact with him?
Yes. Yeah.
At what point? What was that?
I believe right before I started to read off the questionnaire and right after I finished, before I got up to go when I was dismissed.
Did it add another level of nervousness or tension that you felt with him sitting there?
I think so. It made the whole thing feel more real in a way, because I guess when you're on any jury, you have elements of that person's future in your hands. So whether it was Trump or whether it was some stranger off the street in Manhattan who I had never heard of before, if you commit to sitting on the jury, you can change that person's life forever.
And you felt that?
Yeah.
Jose, just down the road, has a question that we want to follow up with.
Yeah, I was just wondering, Vaughn, the extraordinary responsibility, the civic responsibility that we all have living in this country, right, of maybe participating in a jury. It's the only system like this in the world, and there she was sitting just feet away from someone who, as she said, is so famous, and yet in the final days it's just about one human being. Did she ever take that kind of responsibility and awesome privilege that we have, and did it make a difference by being there?
As a potential juror, you had a huge potential responsibility, knowing that the fate of one man rests in your hands there. Did you feel the gravity of that?
Yes, very much so. especially considering the historical nature of this trial. I think it was a really fascinating contrast between feeling that gravity of not only is someone's fate kind of in our hands here, but the fate of parts of our country's legal system going forward is kind of in our hands because this is unprecedented.
Did you have conversations with other potential jurors about this? What did those conversations look like?
Weirdly, no. Everyone has been very quiet so far. Even yesterday, when people kind of seemed to start to realize that we were there for the Trump trial, there was a sense that everyone was worried about what the protocols were and worried about whether we should talk about it or we're allowed to talk about it or might get sent home for talking about it. So everyone was very kind of... At one point, I heard one juror say to another juror, like, oh, do you think this means we're actually on the jury, after they had just dismissed a few more people? But apart from that, everyone was very kind of heads down, silent.
You were talking about your mom. What's your mom's name?
Sharon.
Sharon. You can talk to Sharon now about this experience. Jose, Kara, a potential juror on the Trump trial, but dismissed this morning.
Hey everyone, MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.